Samba step. So we start with the lock step. So we're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, following with the 2 swivels. 5, 6, and finishing with 1 more lock step. 7 and 8. From here, for the followers, it's going to be spot volta. For the leader, it's going to be volta in place. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 into stationary samba walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we're finishing with a series of butterfocus. 1, 2, 3, 4. And rhythm bounce. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try that with my count. And let's a little bit closer. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try this with the music.